previous task, we already done process our payroll. Before we do further transaction, we will edit our calendar first. It's very crucial for you to set your calendar. First, we go to Tools, click on Tools, and then select General Maintenance, and then you choose for Calendar. By default, you will see one calendar that already created for you, which is default calendar. So this default calendar you can follow to set as your own state calendar. So for example, you still can edit and modify this default calendar. For example, you click on edit. If let's say your company have many branches in different state, you can set this default calendar is from which state, mean the HQ one. So you can set the state location. We assume we don't want to change any code or description here, so we have to check its main calendar. So this will be as a default. The calendar year will change every year. So this is for the year of 2020. Then holiday. By default, you have to select your own calendar, follow the date. For example, now currently you are doing for this year, which is 2020, so you have to select the calendar based on this year only for the holidays. For example, New Year days, are we have a public holiday or not? So we tick yes. YPD Negeri Sembilan, this one is for Negeri Sembilan public holiday. This one is for Sultan Kedah birthday, so only for the holiday for Kedah state. And then for Chinese New Year, we check first. And then for replacement, so for the replacement, this one later we will check again in our calendar each month to see if our rest day fall on Saturday and Sunday, we will receive the replacement is on Monday if our holiday fall on Sunday. So we will check again our calendar one by one later. So we just tick first and select. If let's say this one is not fall on Monday, then later we can just disable the holiday. And then Federal Territory Day, we assume the state that we're going to set is for Selangor state. So Thaipusam. So this one you can refer back to your coursework for chapter 7. So Thaipusam, yes. Installation of Sultan Terengganu. And then scroll down, Isra Mi'raj, we don't have this for public holiday. This one is for Negeri Sembilan and Perlis only. And then Sultan of Johor birthday. And then we don't have Good Friday. And then our Ramadan also we don't have. This one our Ramadan only for the states of, for example, like Johor and Kedah. And then Labor Day, we not sure yet. This 1st of May is fell under which day, so we just check first for replacement also. But this one already stated the replacement is only for Johor and Kedah only. But still later we still can check. If let's say this 1st of May is fell on Saturday or Sunday, we will receive replacement on Monday, which we can set manually. So this one Wesak Day, yes, so we check for Wesak Day. How about Nuzul Al-Quran? Okay, for Nuzul Al-Quran also, so check. And for replacement, Hari Raya Aidilfitri, we check also. And then Harvest Day only for Sabah and Sarawak. Okay, Agong birthday. So for Agong birthday, you have to choose is not the 8th of for Agong birthday you have to check for this one, because the Agong birthday from September already changed to June. And then we tick for Hari Raya Haji. Hari Raya Haji by right only one day, so we just check first and see the second day fell into which day. And for the replacement only for Johor, Kedah, Kelantan and Terengganu. Alright, and then we check for Awal Muharram. And then Merdeka Day, Malaysia Day, and And then we check for Prophet Muhammad birthday. Then we check for Sultan Selangor birthday, Christmas. And then replacement automatic is already set for Johor and Kedah only. So total of public holiday that we already set is 21 days. This amount might be decreased or increased later once we check in our calendar. So once you're done, you just click on apply. Alright, done for holiday. The second thing we want to do is to set our rest day. The rest day is a basic one. So we check for the first one first. The first one, the month is either you want to choose every month, odd month, or even month. So odd month will be on January, March, May. Even month will be on February, April, June, like that. So this one we want to set our rest day on every month. So which day we want to set? So for example, like Selangor will fall on Saturday and Sunday. So we check for Saturday first. The day type is full days, AM or PM. Because some company, their rest day on Saturday is only half day. So at the morning they work, only rest day start on evening onwards. So will be on PM. So like our case, we choose full day. And if we check for the second one, also choose every month. The weekday we select is Sunday. And the day chart we select is also full day. So once you're done, you click on apply. Then it will appear one message which is the result conflict. Result conflict means it will conflict with those public holiday that we already choose. If the public holiday fell onto Saturday and Sunday, which is our rest day, how the system will recognize the rest day or public holiday. So in every conflict, we will choose that all the conflict will fall for holiday. Means if the holiday fell into Saturday and Sunday, we assume as a holiday, and we will receive our replacement for our rest day in the next following day. Now, once we're done, we just click on save. As you can see, all by default already set as a holiday. Every conflict will assume as a holiday. Alright, done for rest day. Now, after we have done to set our holiday and rest day, now we will look our calendar one by one. We start with January first. On the 1st January, we have a public holiday on the 1st January, which is a New Year. And then 25th and 26th is Chinese New Year. And by default, we will receive a replacement. Then we look on February. Our Thaipusam fell on Saturday. So some company assume if the public holiday fell into Saturday, we don't assume as a replacement. Only the holiday that fell on Sunday will receive a replacement on the next following day, which is on Monday. Now look on March. There's no public holiday on March. April also. On May, we have a public holiday on 1st May. Fell on Friday. And then 7 is Wesak Day. And then 10 and 11 is Nuzul. As a Nuzul Al-Quran fell on Sunday, that's why we receive a replacement on Monday. And then Hari Raya. Hari Raya Aidilfitri fell on Sunday and Monday. So we receive a replacement on Tuesday. Next one on June is 8, which is Agong birthday on Monday. And then July is on 31st of July, Hari Raya Haji fell on Friday. So there's no replacement on Hari Raya Haji. Only for those states which rest day fall on Friday and Saturday will receive a replacement on Sunday. Now, on August 2020, Saturday, Hari Raya Haji, this one, so we have to change it. We just click, and then on this Hari Raya Haji for the second day, we just delete. Or you can change for the rest day. So Saturday is our rest day, right? So we check again, we click for the rest day, then save. Automatic for the rest day, it will be blue color. The red color is a public holiday, blue color is a rest day. Now 20th of August is our Muharram. 31st of August is Merdeka, fell on Monday. And then 9 August Agong birthday. This one you have to delete by default, because if you see on the header here, if you scroll down, you won't see any date on 9th of September. So there's some error here. So by default, you have to change the calendar for September. So there's no holiday on this date, so we have to delete it. Only on 16, which is Malaysia Day. Then the next one on 29 is Prophet Muhammad on October. November, there's no holiday. December, we have 2 holidays, which is Sultan Selangor birthday on Friday and also Christmas Day on Friday also. Now, we can check back on our calendar to see on March, do we have any extra leave? No, because our state don't have the leave for Isra and Miraj. So once you done all the calendar check, the next thing you have to do is you need to set for the replacement day. For example, set replacement holiday. For example, the Chinese New Year. Chinese New Year fell on 25th and 26th, so we have a replacement holiday on 27th. But by default, the system already created for you this one as a replacement. But for those who live in a different state, you can set the replacement leave manually. So you can put the entitled wish you can put the entitled with replacement. Then this one, we just click on save. Before we save the calendar, there's another thing we need to do is to set month information. This one is very crucial to calculate our work day, so that can calculate for the salary purpose and also for the leave purpose. So now we have to click on for the month information. Is not only for the salary purpose, also it's also to calculate our commission later. So commission also will based on the calendar. So before that, to set for the month information, every month you will see this calendar button. So you just click any of the month for this calendar button. Then for the month information, first half day by default is 15 days, and then working hours per day is 8 days. So this one, use auto calculate working days in month. If you check for this one, automatic system will calculate based on that calendar, that month calendar. Means after deduct the Saturday and Sunday of our rest day and also public holiday, how many days you have been working. So it was stated here. So every month the working days in month is different. If you choose use specific working days in month, doesn't matter how many holidays that you have in that particular month, every month will calculate as 26 days. So means your salary will be divided with 26. So this one we call fixed day. Alright, for use specific working days in month, this one we call fixed day, which is 26 days. So the one that we need to set is we need to choose the use specific working days in month, so that we want to fix every month is 26 days. And then one more thing, if you don't set apply to all, this calendar of month information setting will be only a point for January. If you check for all, so that all the calendar from January until December, we will do the setting for the same setting for the month information. So this one we check apply to all and click on save. Then automatic all the calendar will be do the same setting of month information. So now once you're done, you click on save. So we have done edit and modify our default calendar. So calendar default updated successfully, then click on continue.